Grabe siya.
Okay, anyway, meron kaming secret. Hindi namin sinasabi sa'yo kanina, pero meron kaming message para sa'yo galing kay Ashley. Panoorin natin to.
Oh no. Oh no.
Dun, dun, dun.
Alam mo naman na hindi talaga ako maganito. But I appreciate you as a person, all the things that you do. I know in the outside world, people would judge you and say a lot of negative things about you. But know that you are loved by many. Ni isang taong walang nagsabi ng something negative about you because you're a kind person, you're a good son, you're a good brother, you're a good friend, and you're a good partner. Always know that. Alam ko, hindi ko mapapanood yung mga hostings mo ngayon. But as soon as PBB is done, panoorin ko yung mga clips na nag-host ka. I know you're gonna do well. You're a smart person. So alam ko kayang-kaya mo yan. Take care of yourself. Don't get sick. I love you. And I'll see you soon.
Tissue please, tissue. Medyo naging
First time ko sa online verse, ganito na yung nangyari. Naging, confession room ba to? Naiyak na naman ako eh.
Habang pinakikinggan ko si Ashley, papunta ka na ng santo. Ganun yung, di ba? You're so kind, you're so loving, which is good to know. Kasi syempre, kahit tayo dito, di ba, first time natin nagkakasama-sama. Pero gusto ko malaman, after watching that, ano yung masasabi mo?
Syempre, I'm very grateful, Ashley. Thank you for that beautiful message. At namimiss ko na siya, sa totoo lang. And dahil, syempre, sabi niya, I love you too. Pero hindi niya maririnig to. Pero, yun, I can't wait. I can't wait to see the housemates again.
But I'm sure, alam niya na sinasabi mo dito na mahal mo rin siya.